Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone is stuck on a boot screen displaying DM-Verity Corruption Error, it means your device's verified boot system has detected an unauthorized modification or corrupted file in the core operating system. I will show you exactly how to bypass this warning and restore your system's integrity right now. Let's get started. First, the simplest way to get past the initial DM-Verity warning screen is to manually skip the boot block. When the message appears stating your device is corrupt and will power off in 5 seconds, quickly press the physical power button once. On many devices, this acts as an acknowledgement of the warning and forces your phone to continue its boot sequence into the normal Android operating system. Please note that this is a temporary bypass, and the warning will return every single time you restart your phone. Next, if you triggered this error by rooting your phone or unlocking the bootloader, you need to use a computer to patch the verification flags. Connect your phone to your PC via USB and boot it into Fastboot mode. Open your computer's command prompt or terminal inside your ADB folder. To permanently disable the strict verity checks, carefully type the exact command fastboot --disable verity --disable verification flash vbmeta vbmeta.img and hit enter. This flashes a clean verification block over the corrupted one, telling the system to ignore modified files and allowing your device to boot perfectly without the error screen. Finally, if you did not try to root your phone and the DM-Verity error appeared completely randomly, your core system files are actually damaged and must be completely replaced. You will need to use your manufacturer's official desktop flashing software, such as the SP Flash tool for MediaTek devices or your specific firmware upgrade tool to completely reinstall your device's stock firmware. Downloading and flashing the official factory ROM automatically rebuilds the encrypted system partition and locks the verification keys back into place, permanently removing the corruption error and making your phone as good as new. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.